we were discussing places to move to, that was Taylor's main objective, the warmth.
I actually made Charlie Google like how many sunny days.
There's so much to do outdoors here. I found a job here in Kingsport, Tennessee, so we're moving down here because of that. I think now is the right time to buy. We're ready to lay down some roots and, start a family.
I hope Anthony shows us like a characteristic Southern home, like a big wraparound porch.
They're so old though.
I don't like to live in a cookie cutter home, and right now we do in our rental house. I think like older homes have character. I think that they're cozy.
Think about all the renovations that you usually have to do on these old homes. So I want a home when I walk in that feels nice and new. We don't have a lot of time for renovations. We're both busy professionals, so I think having a home that's, 10 years old or so is very important to me.
I don't mind having projects. I think projects are manageable.
I feel like newer homes as well, they're also more open concept and have these big windows and lots of light inside the home.
I think an open concept could be nice. With a giant kitchen, I'm used to apartment kitchens. They're small, so a big kitchen where you can like cook meals for family and that kind of thing. And a pantry is a must because I'm tired of putting food in cabinets. People go and look for a cup and they're like, oh, hey, pancake mix. I don't love that. I think that we should find a house in a neighborhood. Being in a neighborhood would really make it easier for me to find friends and that kind of thing.
I'm really looking forward to finding a house with some land.
Yeah.
I want some land and a yard for our dogs to run around in, for our future kids to run around in.
So let's keep our price point lower because we have a lot of loans. Well, it's not cheap to go to medical or dental school. I don't want to have my loans for the next 30 plus years, $400,000 if possible.
We're starting new jobs in a couple of weeks and we don't want to rent anymore, so I think we need to expand our budget a little bit. I would go up to $600,000.
I just don't love the idea of adding more debt when we already have enough.
Maybe somewhere in the middle.
Yeah, maybe or not.
Since Kingsport is close to the state line and their broker is licensed in both states, they've agreed to see a place 30 minutes away in Abington, Virginia, since it's a historic charmer, exactly what Taylor wants.
Built in the late 1800s,
Okay.
1895, I think, listed at $495,000.
I don't know how I feel about that. If it's like charming, maybe I could sway that way.
Yeah. It's got a massive front porch.
Huge. It's very cute.
Yeah. We're on quite the busy road.
Yeah, definitely. The porch is great. Look, there's like a little flagpole.
Picket fence, too.
Got a lot of character out here.
Hey guys.
Hey.
Hey, how's
Great
it
to
going?
see you.
You as well.
Welcome to Virginia. As you can tell, we're right in the downtown area here. You don't even have to get in your car to get down to shopping, restaurants, coffee shops, so we're really right in the heart of town. So this is a tough situation. They need to find a house quickly before their jobs start. So it puts a lot of pressure on me, but I'm born and raised in this area, and I'm also the mayor of the city of Bristol, Virginia. So I can educate them about the area that they're coming to and find them a house that they'll both fall in love with.
Oh, wow.
You can see a lot of little details that are original. So there's some details with the crown molding, the transom doorways. Back when this house was first built, light bulbs had just been invented. So it's very possible the first owners of this house had no lights at all and they lit the house using candlelight.
Let's go back to
I'm not
candlelight.
gonna do that. Not gonna do that.
One thing I did want to mention, we're very close by to the entrance to the Virginia Creeper Trail, which connects to the full Appalachian Trail. So I know you guys like the outdoors, hiking or biking.
Oh, very cool. I like the wood floors, but it looks pretty lumpy here.
A lot of these older houses, the floors are sort of wavy, a characteristic of an older house, which some people think it does give you some
character?
Well, that's what we were looking for. Maybe not like wavy floors.
This is the formal living room. The fireplace has been updated at some point. This is a gas fireplace. There's a total of 6 fireplaces in this house.
Okay. I don't like the
Tile type stuff there is kind of weird.
I
You know,
think it
you
should
do
be
have all
gray.
this natural light in here, though.
Yeah, that's
There's
true.
so many big open windows. And you know where we can get one of these in every room in the house? I really like it.
It's definitely a feature of an older house.
It looks like it belongs in a saloon.
So this is the formal dining room.
Yeah, I mean, you can definitely fit a huge table in here. Ooh, I like those lights. I think that these are cool.
Yeah, these are beautiful.
This kitchen has been updated. The cabinets, solid surface countertops, the stainless steel appliances.
You know, it's definitely a lot bigger than our kitchen now, but I still feel like there's not as much counter space as I would hope.
Is there a pantry in here?
There is not a pantry per se. Just off the kitchen is the laundry room, and there is some storage space in there.
Okay, there's a hot tub. Does it stay?
The hot tub stays.
Okay.
Oh, wow.
So we have our patio area.
You're probably convinced now.
This is nice.
I like this, little bricked area in the back for the patio. And all these Edison bulbs. Yeah.
This could be a great space for entertaining, and the yard is fenced in for the dog.
I think it has everything that we could want in a backyard. There's a hot tub, there's a nice finished area back here to entertain family, to host people, but we were hoping for a couple of acres of land.
Off of the main entrance here is what could be your first floor primary bedroom.
This is a nice bedroom.
Now this
Look at the
room-
fireplace.
Another fireplace. That one is a gas one as well.
It also takes up a ton of space
Yeah.
for a bedroom. I feel like maybe an office.
If this was your primary bedroom, this could be your first floor primary bathroom.
I do like the tile, but I don't love that it's a shower curtain because then it touches me and I get a little weirded out. It's kind of gross, bacteria.
There's not much room
No.
for more than a sink and a toilet. We were hoping to have at least two sinks.
We'll go here into the full bathroom. There are double sinks here.
This definitely feels more like a primary bathroom than the downstairs one.
There's several bedrooms here on the second floor.
This is a big bedroom.
You could certainly use this as your primary bedroom.
Does it have a bathroom?
There are only 2 full bathrooms in the house,
How
though
many bedrooms is it?
a total of 5 bedrooms,
And 2 bathrooms.
2 bathrooms.
I
Okay.
feel like they left off a bathroom when they were adding on stuff.
One thing I want to point out is there's no carpet anywhere in this house.
Yep, and I love that.
I kind of like carpet. Waking up in the morning, just walking barefoot on carpet. It's kind of nice.
Would you like to vacuum it then?
Not really.
Okay. Wow, look at the porch. Put some rocking chairs out here and sip some sweet tea.
Hey guys, welcome
Hey.
to the area. Wanted you guys to see this house because it does come with a little more than 2 acres.
Oh, wow.
As you can see, there's even a playground area. It was built in 1985.
Hopefully the inside is updated a little bit.
Some things have definitely been done and updated on the inside.
Look at the fireplace.
All right, yeah. Definitely light and airy in here.
Looks like they have some new floors in here, too.
Yeah, this is a nice floor. You think it's vinyl? It's definitely vinyl.
Some stuff needs updating, though, still. Fans, light fixtures.
I think the light fixtures look nice. That's like farmhouse chic.
So we'll move into the dining area. There's a lot of natural light.
I see the staircase has no railing, which would not be good for kids.
Definitely. That's a little different.
Yeah.
You could definitely add a railing, for sure. This space is sort of like another foyer space coming in from what's the back side of the house. You can see the porch does wrap around through the entire house.
Is that little barn on our property as well?
It is.
This yard is definitely nice out here. You can have some chickens, some animals.
Maybe we'll fence that in back there and let
Yeah, there's
the
definitely room to put a
little
fence in back
rugrats
there.
run around.
This kitchen. Look at this oven.
Yeah.
This thing is at least 30 years old.
I think it's older than 30 years old. Definitely needs at least painted. It's very dark in here.
Yeah.
And I feel like the countertops aren't helping.
Yeah, this whole kitchen would just need to
We
be
definitely need to.
redone.
Where is the pantry?
There's not a separate pantry, but there is some other storage space just off the kitchen in the laundry room. So just off the kitchen is this extra bonus room.
This could make a good office, though.
I think it would be a good
I mean, you have nice views. You can put a desk right here. I like this glass pane door over here, too. Nice little entryway into
It's
the
cute.
living room area.
Yeah, you could be working in here and I like peek over and make a little face at you, make you laugh.
Yeah, I'd really appreciate that.
So up here we have 4 bedrooms.
Which is nice for when our parents visit.
There is carpet in all of the bedrooms.
I wish that it was not carpet.
Good views out of the windows.
Oh, look, I see a house. Finally, a neighbor.
In the hallway here, here's a full bath.
All right, double sink action. Not
Pretty
bad.
spacious in here.
So this is the main bedroom, Anthony?
It is.
Wow.
This is the largest bedroom.
It does have nice high ceilings. I don't know what this wood paneling is. I don't know that I mind it enough to replace it. Maybe we could just like paint it white. They updated the bathroom, though, it looks like.
It's kind of weird that there's only a single sink in here, but there's two in the other bathroom.
Well, but that bathroom is for 3 other bedrooms,
That's fair.
so. I'm not a fan that there's a shower curtain. I wish it was a glass door.
What do you guys think?
You know, the outside is gorgeous, and I love the front porch, but the inside, it leaves a little bit to be desired.
There's definitely a lot of projects.
And the other thing is that I feel like I think we need to be in a neighborhood. It's a little bit lonely.
Nice neighborhood right here.
A little bit more cookie cutter, I think.
Definitely more modern, though.
I don't love the siding color.
Yeah, I'm definitely not a fan of the red.
Hey, guys.
Hey, how are you?
Good to
How's
see
it
you.
going?
So what do you guys think about the neighborhood?
Yeah, it's really nice. Doesn't feel as isolated as the other house was. And
Yeah, it'll be nice to have some neighbors around for you, for sure.
So this home is a little bit newer. It's listed for $389,000.
I think that's perfect.
Oh, man, you have to walk up some steps to get up to the main living level.
A few steps to come on up this way, but then you're in this space. This is definitely an open floor plan. Seems like it flows well. The
It makes it
lighting,
look
the color
bigger.
molding. Yeah,
Yeah.
It's a big space.
Yeah.
The kitchen is
Kitchen
gorgeous.
is, yeah, very big. And it's all updated.
Solid surface countertops, stainless steel appliances.
Lots
What
of
you-
cabinet space. Like really, like
What is this right here?
That's your pot filler. I know you guys said you prepare a lot of your own meals.
Charlie
so cool.
prepares a lot of the meals.
Yeah.
Yeah.
This is a pretty large pantry.
Oh, this is perfect.
Oh, wow.
No more food cabinets.
Oh, yeah.
We'll head on to the biggest bedroom.
Oh, this is kind of small for a primary
Definitely
bedroom. You think you can fit a king bed in here?
You can fit a king bed, but I don't think we'll fit any of our furniture.
Now I know it has carpet, so
Yeah.
there is carpet in each bedroom.
Okay.
So, but some hardwood out in the main living area.
Yeah.
Tile flooring, double sinks.
Yep.
Definitely have enough room to get ready in the morning. What do you think about these this color?
I don't like the color. I feel like
Yeah.
the rest of the house is very light, and the bathroom is a little bit darker. It's kind of like they forgot about it. Like the shower has a shower curtain,
Yeah.
which I hate.
This is a nice closet.
Yeah, there's just not much hanging space. I have a lot of dresses, and there's not much room in here.
When do you ever wear dresses?
Well, I would if you would take me on a date.
So bedroom 2.
Feels like the same size as the primary.
So this is similar to bedroom number 2, about the same size.
Exact same. This home kind of feels like what I might find in Michigan. It's kind of just your basic starter home. It's lacking that kind of southern charm that I was expecting moving down south.
So I'll call this the lower level den space.
This is a nice area.
It's pretty big.
This whole setup here is a Murphy bed that stays with the house.
Okay.
This is technically not a bedroom, but I think you could use this space, for in-laws, guests who come and stay overnight.
And they have a bathroom down here too, it
Yeah.
looks like.
I mean, I think this is cool.
There's definitely many things that I liked about this house. And it's move-in ready. Being able to come down here and start with our lives is definitely a benefit. Look at this backyard. I don't know about this deck too much. It
Yeah,
looks
it's
like
orange.
it needs some staining and maybe some new boards some places.
Yeah, I don't like that the yard feels a little bit smaller. We were hoping
Yeah.
for more land.
Yeah, it is smaller.
It's a smaller yard. This one was just perfect in the sense that you really could just move in, and any small changes we want, we can kind of do gradually. We don't feel the pressure to get it done like right when we move in.
I think there's definitely enough space here too. There's enough room for us to start a family in.
Yeah. Can you put those up higher? My favorite part about this house is honestly the kitchen and the pantry. Even though I don't cook very often, I like the thought that I can cook in this giant kitchen. And I love that my family will be able to come and use this space for holidays, and nobody's gonna be like throwing elbows trying to get the turkey out of the oven or anything like that.